Oh no! Bubbles is almost dying. How to save him? Bubbles used to be full of color, graceful, like a little underwater prince. But now just look at him. His fins were rotting, his colors fading, and he wasn't eating. I thought I was doing enough. I wasn't. No heater, no proper food, barely any care and attention I gave. I realized my mistake and I decided to change his world. After watching Mayur Dev's videos on YouTube, I transferred him to the aquarium and added clean water and ordered Sunken Betta water conditioner on the website Aquarium Products India. And added 1 milliliter per 5 liters of water, which made the biggest difference. It neutralizes harmful chlorine and chloramines from tap water, ensuring a safe and stress-free environment for your betta fish. It contains beneficial bacteria strains that promote a healthy nitrogen cycle in your aquarium, helping reduce ammonia and nitrite levels. It is formulated to keep your betta fish calm and stress-free, closely mimicking their natural habitat conditions. It is fortified with essential vitamins and minerals that strengthen your betta's fins and enhance their overall health. It helps maintain a stable pH level, creating a comfortable environment for your betta fish. Now his fins became stronger and new, and he is happily swimming in the tank. Slowly he came back to life. Thanks to Sunken Betta Fish Water Conditioner, it made Bubbles healthy and vibrant again. Oh! I almost forgot, I also use AAYU Betta Fish Food, which is immunity booster and packed with nutrients. And also I follow Mayur Dev Aquascaper on YouTube, who gives amazing tips and hacks to maintain the aquarium and fish's health. And if you also want happy and healthy fish, follow Mayur Dev. Happy fish keeping!